Hello aspirants, I'm Indumati Karthikeyan. Today we discuss about what are the daily routine for your UPSC preparation, how to make the time management in simple way. So let's get started this video. Before you start and focus on your preparation, click on the below link in the description and be part of our channel because we need to help for your preparation. First of all, the daily routine. What to make daily for your routine? First of all, for morning 6 to 7 a.m., you have to compulsorily is 1 hour for current affairs reading. 7 to 9, that is mainly for GS paper 1 and paper 2 topics. 9 to 10, you have some break for the breakfast, or you have to have some little deviation. Then 10 to 1, you have to concentrate more on the optional paper, and 1 to 2, go for the lunch, have lunch and sit, and again you start at 2 to 5 as writing practice related to ethics, essay papers, and also you have to concentrate these 3 hours mainly for the answer writing. How to do answer writing? At least you have to write two answer per day, any one case study and essay paper. The weekly two essay papers you have to make it. So 5 to 6 a.m. You take one more break for tea or samosa. So you have to make some break, and 6 to 9 again you start preparation for the GS revision, and also you can have notes. You have to revise that notes, and these are the main daily routine for your UPSC preparation. Morning 6 to 7 a.m. mainly you can allocate for your current affairs. You can read the Hindu paper, you can analyze the paper, you can correlate your GS with the Hindu. That is, you have to for GS to use latest Supreme Court judgment or bills in this paper. GS3, you have to include the budget, economic survey, schemes, climate events, digital economy. For GS1 and 4, you have to use a case studies and society, and also the news articles. So you have to concentrate and you have to incorporate both answer writing with your current affairs. And 7 to 9, you have to give the GS1, GS2. Mainly GS1, GS2 and GS3 topic you have to cover in this time. And 9 to 10, you have to take one break for breakfast, and you have to get little better. Then 10 to 1, again you start preparation your optional subject. Optional is a very much crucial for your preparation. So optional, without optional you can't get a good score. So you have to dedicate 40 to 45% of the daily time to optional, and revise notes and solve the past year papers. If possible, you can join any test series. We are also providing test series, and also you have to master the answer writing subject specific answer. And 1 to 2, you can go for a lunch, and 2 to 5, you try to make an answer writing, that is begin with your topic wise practice, that is very much crucial. And also structure your answer like a body, subheadings and conclusions, and also add on your diagrams, maps, flowcharts, current examples. So these are the main important strategy, and you can write ethics paper, and you can do one case study, essay paper, and you have to strict word limit. That is very much important. Word limit is very much crucial, so you have to strict that word limit. And 5 to 6, again you take one more break, and 6 to 9, again you have to start GS and revision notes. These are the daily routine for your UPSC preparation. If you do this method, you can get the more score in your UPSC exam. And then finally you have to do the mock test and evaluation. At least join one test series. That is very much important, because test series without UPSC answer writing you can't clear the mains. So you have to join at least one test series, write full length test in exam condition, and get feedback and improve consistently. That is very much important. So you have to get your others feedback, then only you come to know your mistakes. Otherwise you can't find out your mistakes. So you have to get the feedback. That is very much important, and improve consistently. Without, if you get the feedback, you have to listen and you have to improve consistently. Without consistently improving, you will not upgrade your answer. So you have to improve yourself by getting the advice and from your mentors. These are the important steps for your daily routine. Thank you so much.